In today's video, I'll show you how to get a free trial on Crunchyroll. First, go to the official Crunchyroll website. On the homepage, you'll see the option to try Mega Fan Free for 7 days. Click on it. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Then, click Create Account and wait for it to load. After that, you'll need to choose and enter your payment information. If you select credit or debit card, simply enter your details and make sure everything is correct. Once done, click Finish Checkout to activate your free trial. After completing checkout, you'll be redirected to the homepage where you can start watching any available anime for free during the 7-day trial period. And that's it. That's how you get a free trial on Crunchyroll.